blacker than blacker. Long time I don't come from the media, you know what I say? Don't do a life. You know what I say? See, a whole heap of people I do some video talking about, moving back to Jamaica and shit like that, And if it's safe and, you even say a girl, she moved back and she's like, yo, she couldn't believe, she can't, the way how, like, water gone every minute, light gone every minute, you know what I say? So, even, just being safe too, brother, is just being safe and all them things there. Is Jamaica a place where a foreigner are gonna be able to really, really survive and strive? Yes, I feel like you could. But you have to be okay with a lot of things. You know what I say? A whole heap of things you have to be alright with. You know what I mean? And some the crime to me and number one. That shit right there, that need to get just eliminate straight up, brother. One thing with me, anywhere where I feel like I feel look behind me and I hope so I'm gonna get something and all them I don't even want to be there. Yeah. I know one gonna come for me for this. Yeah, it's the truth. That's why I would love to come to my country, right? I would love to come to my country and move around and walk around and do whatever I feel like when we used to live there. Wouldn't you like that? You know what I mean? I would love to can go around and move around and even jump on bus and jump on taxi. Even the girl I said, even the girl said to me, say, no, me or her talk, she talking in the video and she's like, yo, the only time she really move around like that is when either auntie or her cousin, because she's not comfortable to drive yet, even that is another thing, but whatever, you know what I mean? But being comfortable for jumping a taxi or jumping a Uber or jump on a bus and go about your business without nobody a pre or a foreigner that, saying, you know what I mean? So me feel like them thing that for me personally, to be honest with you, for me personally, go back to Jamaica and go back to Jamaica. Them thing they have to fix, brother. I don't like to walk around with my head on a swivel. And then, the Jamaican, everywhere crime there. Yes, we know that. Everywhere crime there. But here in America, in America, you don't have to, walk with a swivel on your head, walk around and look and not say you walk up, but you just feel, the energy. Come on, you can't come for me if you don't want. You know what I mean? But it's the truth, bro. You go to Jamaica and you feel safe, brother, fully, brother. I don't like that feeling. I tell you the truth. Me not like them feeling in no time at all. You understand me? I said that is not my thing. Me not feel like, say, boy, I can't move around how I want to. You know what I mean? Like how I'm here. You know what I mean? I'm from Kingston, right? So, me have a whole different outlook. There's certain places me not go. Not even say certain, there's a lot of places I don't go. And I've never been there. Why? Because it's not safe. You can't just go anywhere you want. You get what I mean? In America, you can move around and go where you want to go. Saying, I've been to other places. I've been to other country, right? Like even per se Guyana. Saying, Guyana, brother. Saying, me and my baby mother go down there. And to me, it remind me of Jamaica. You know, the island feeling there, you know what I mean? Big up Guyana. Saying? And I'm telling you, bro. Me nah lie, I booked some Jamaican over there. Man, them said, brother, me nah come back to Jamaica. They don't want to go back to Jamaica. Saying, they don't even think they might go back to Jamaica because the place just feels safe. Saying? Yeah. The place just feels safe, brother. And I lie. And I'm telling you, downtown Kingston, if I put something over your eyes, some blinders over your eyes and bring it down to Georgetown, you think you ain't guy, you think you're there, you think you don't, you're there. You think you're there, you think you're there in downtown Kingston. I swear to God, all the street name them are the same. The market people, them have Arcade, them have Regent Street, them have Princess Street. The taxi and the man, the bus man, them operate the same. You know, no, you know, I'm not so aggressive though as you know certain things, but nobody. I'm walking around downtown. Me and my baby mother, she live a foreign too. You know what I mean? She's a Guyanese, and you know I go down there, brother, and I tell her me and her alone take taxi from the house where I stay, brother. Jump on bus. I love them feeling, the dog. I love that fucking feeling, dog. We went back to the place where she's from, seeing, and we now talk about no nice place like ghetto. A ghetto she come from, like, you know what I mean, boardhouse and zinc fence. I go there and go them place there, move around them place there with no problem. You get what I'm saying? And me feel like, damn, yo, like I wish me could have go back to like Pianland and feel them way, yeah, Crescent Road and feel them way, yeah, brother. Move to jungle and them place there and down at Tivoli and just feel them way. I mean, I have to have my family them a shop around me, and then there's certain places they still not gonna go, even though they live there. So that for sure, you say. The thing, you know, so the moving thing back to Jamaica, me no know. You understand? I think me da love to buy a house and build a house down there. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. You understand me? But I don't know if I could live there, bro. Wanna tell me, see? I'm gonna tell you some more about the Guyana trip. Cause 2 times I go there and brother, I the same feelings. See? Blacker than black. You don't know. Renzo. I'm back. Yep.